How to share a link on your iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to send a link from your iPhone using different methods. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, open your browser. So launch Safari or Google Chrome on your iPhone and navigate to the website you want to share. Let's say I want to use apple.com as an example. And now to share the link, you can simply tap on the share icon, a box with an upward arrow at the bottom center of the screen, and you will see several sharing options. Now from there, tap messages and a new message will open with the link automatically inserted. And now in this section, you can simply enter the recipient name or phone number, and once you're done with that, you can simply tap on the send button. Now another option is to share via email. To do that, simply go back and tap on mail icon to open a new mail with a link pre-filed in the body. Now you can simply enter the recipient email address, and once you're done with it, you can simply send it. Now moving forward to the another method, that is to copy and paste the link. So now another option is to copy the link manually. To do that, tap on copy from the share menu and open any app like Notes, Messages, WhatsApp or email, and tap on the text field and simply select paste, and the link will appear as a hyperlink with the website name. But if you want the plain text URL, you can simply go back and tap the address bar at the top or bottom of the browser, and after that the full web address will be displayed on the screen. You can simply tap and copy the link, and once you're done with that, simply open any app where you want to paste the URL and simply tap and paste it. And by doing this, the full link will be inserted as a text. And that's it. Now you can easily share links on your iPhone using messages, emails or copy paste. If this guide was helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.